Hello folks, and welcome to the free Lowrey class for July 26, 2024. This week we're working on a beautiful song, It Never Rains in Southern California. It's page 113. Albert Hammond was the guy that made this thing happen in 1972, 73, right around there. If you get a chance on YouTube, listen to him, because that's kind of the person that we're, and the copy of the music that we're trying to emulate here. So everything that you need will be on the other video at that point, the instructional video. So we're just kind of going to go easy and right from here to playing through the song. I'm going to play through it twice. As you find out in the instructional video, that we used guitar on one, and we used mandolin plus strings on another. And it'll give you, there's some added things that we put on, so be sure to watch for that. And then if you want it to sound just like this thing sounds here, you'll get the same effect. Okay, so starting out with our introduction. So we have a fade out there at the end. It's all written in your instructions that you'll get in by the end of the week. All right, so now we want to do it with the guitar, and the setup for that has a few changes. So watch the instructional video to make sure that you kind of get the same effect here on the keyboard. And again, we'll start out with our introduction. That's pretty much it. It's not a difficult song, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Yeah, think of the 70s, the good old 70s. Anyway, have a safe week. God bless, and we'll talk to you next week.